Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So I'm waiting for my soup to can to process in my pressure canner, and I need something to do since it's kind of late at night. So I had a little bit of those little mini peppers in the refrigerator. I had like 6 of them, so I diced those. And then I had some cilantro, so I crushed some cilantro. And I'm going to dehydrate these. So I'm going to be making my own seasoning mix is what I'm going to be doing with the crushed garlic, the onion. I have some peppercorns that I'm going to crush, the cilantro and the pepper. And I'm not sure what else. Probably pieces of this onion as well, because this has to be chopped. This has to be cut down. This all has to be dehydrated right here. So these are going to come off, and I'm going to be dehydrating these today and hopefully getting these in the garden tomorrow. I have not had time, and it's been super hot here. Really not normal weather for here at all, especially in April. We usually don't get heat here until late August, September-ish, I guess. Maybe September is our summer. Usually we have fog here around May 1st. So I'm hoping that May gray comes along and cools us off a little bit, because California is going under a heat wave right now. And for us, anything over 80 and everybody melts because we live at the beach, and we just have cool weather all the time. It's like always like year round, about average, maybe 65, 70. And so I'm able to grow everything here year round, so even if it gets to 75, it's a beautiful day, nice clear skies. But our summer is fog. Our summer is May gray, June gloom, July gray sky, and I don't know what August is, but we have some fog in August as well. So our summer really doesn't start until the Indian summer, like they used to call it, in September, October. So that's when we heat up here. So you're going to see me dehydrating these, and I will show you the results of these in the morning. So I was going to show you something else, but I think I'll just wait for that tomorrow. So I have all of this cabbage to do. All of this cabbage. Have to make sauerkraut. Oh my goodness. Fermented sauerkraut. That's what we're going to do with these. And maybe some coleslaw. Still haven't done the coleslaw, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 left. Getting there. Okay. So, and there's our sprouts, and these are just about done. I'm kind of disappointed in these. They just really didn't fill the jar like I thought they would. Usually I do beans, mung beans for bean sprouts, or radishes, and a mix. And this entire jar is full. And so I'm kind of disappointed that that's all we got. So I didn't use the whole package. I really hope that they didn't mean to use the whole package in that jar for $4.99. I really hope so. I hope not. I mean, because those would be really expensive sprouts. So anyway, yeah, I'm sitting here. It's 9:30, and I'm waiting for my canner to come to pressure so that I can put the weight on it and go from there. So I will see you guys in the morning. Thanks for watching, everybody. And please subscribe. You help my channel when you subscribe. It helps YouTube's algorithms as to who's watching me and who's not. Please hit that like button and leave a comment, and I will get back to you. Let me know what you guys want to see. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Be prepared, not scared.